Okay, so now what we get if we've got a cyclopentane, all right? All of those are carbons and hydrogens. Now what if I suddenly change this thing and I say, aha, I put an oxygen there. Well, this particular compound is a derivative of a compound that looks like this. And this thing is called furan. All right, you don't have to know this. A furan is what we call a heterocycle. And it's a heterocycle, which means that there's a non-carbon in the middle of the ring. In this case, it's oxygen. So this is furan. If I showed you that structure that we had before, what we've done is I put 4 extra hydrogens on it. So what we call this one is tetrahydrofuran. All right? And there's a wide variety of fun compounds that have heterocycles on the center of them. And nature is replete with a lot of different compounds like this. Okay? And this one, there you go. This is dioxane. It's a great solvent, reasonably toxic. We don't use it very often. Okay? There's other things. Like if I have a 6-membered ring with a nitrogen in the center, that's something we call a piperidine. Okay? I'm not going to give you the names of these things, but all of these things are just examples of heterocycles. So if I've got something that's not an oxygen, or not a carbon or a hydrogen in the center of these things, we call them heterocycles. Okay? That's all we need to know about heterocycles for right now. When we get into these functional groups, then you're going to have to know what we're talking about.